Hi everybody, and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I do have the HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix that your microphone is not working. So starting with these more software fixes. At first, go straight to the settings. And here, go straight to the sounds and vibration. Here, at first, check if you tap show more, everything turned up, every single, as you can see, sound effect. If you don't, you won't hear your microphone and, for example, voice recorder. But if you do, that's nice. We can now exit the settings application. So starting from now, we don't have actually any more software fixes. We can do only hardware. Close your tablet and now search for the microphones on your tablet here and here. You can try cleaning it with non-metallic tool, for example some plastic. Maybe not needle, but plastic, something that will fit your microphone port here. Apart from that, you may try cleaning it with some cloth or something like that. This should help you. But if that didn't help you, what I do recommend is to go to the settings back again, but it's not about any fix or something like that. It's about software. So go to settings and scroll down to the system and updates. Tap on the software update and here check for updates. If you do have the version like me, here as you can see I do have the October 18th 2025. This is the latest version for now, so yeah, if you do have this version, that's nice. Here your microphone should work. But if you do have every single other version, you may not have your microphone working, so try updating your software. And that should be it for the software. Apart from that, we can test our microphone in any other application than the, for example, WhatsApp or something like that, where we want to call someone. So as I said, you can try the voice recorder. For example, wait a moment, let me go to the searcher and search for recorder. Open recorder application, tap agree, tap this red circle, white and red circle, and now as you can see, apart from the results, here as you can see we have these lines, which is the sign that our microphone is working perfectly fine. As you can see, when I don't speak anything, it's, as you can see, blank. And when I say something, it's turned on. It's called spectrogram, as I remember. And when we tap this scroll button over here and play our recording, it works. So try changing the sources where you check your microphone and try other settings in the application that your microphone is not working. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.